If paying a bill that offers an early bill payment discount in QuickBooks Online, you must create the discount before paying the bill. To do this, create a vendor credit and apply it to the bill. To create a vendor credit, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then click the Vendor Credit link under the Vendors heading in the drop-down menu to open the Vendor Credit window. Select the name of the vendor from the vendor drop-down. The vendor's mailing address should appear in the Mailing Address field. Enter the date of the vendor credit into the Payment Date field. Fill out the remaining fields in the upper portion of the vendor credit as needed. To enter an early bill payment discount for amounts unrelated to items in your products and services list, select the original expense account associated with the bill from the category column within the Category Details split line list. This ensures the credit is applied to the correct account. In the description column, enter a description for the vendor credit, like 2% discount if paid in 10 days. In the amount column, then enter the amount of the early bill payment discount. Alternatively, to enter an early bill payment discount for purchased items from your products and services list, select the items in the Item Details section and enter the discount amount for each item in the Amount column to ensure proper accounting, especially if recording early bill payment discounts for inventory items. After entering the vendor discount information, then choose one of the Save options from the drop-down button in the lower right corner of the window to save the credit and close the window. To apply the vendor credit to your bill, hover over the Create button again, and then click the Pay Bills link under the Vendors heading in the drop-down menu to open the Pay Bills window. Check the checkbox to the left of the vendor's bill to which to apply the credit and pay the bill. The vendor credit should automatically be applied. The credit amount should appear in the Credit Applied column. The Payment column should show how much is paid from the account selected from the Payment Account drop-down at the top of the window. Then click or select a choice from the drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window to either save the bill payment and select a follow-up action or schedule an online payment. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.